How to restart an LG phone. Many people tend to leave their smartphones on all the time. However, never turning them off can allow small issues to build up into problems that can eventually lead to sluggish phone performance. So it is recommended that you regularly turn your phone off and on again. What's more, sometimes certain issues can be resolved simply by restarting the phone. If you can access your LG phone to unlock it and get to the home screen and apps, here's how to restart it. Press and hold the power button until the power menu pops up. This should take 2 to 3 seconds. Tap on power off and restart. Tap on restart again. Then wait for the phone to restart. On the other hand, if you are locked out of the phone or it isn't responding, then you need to use the following steps. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. When the LG logo displays on the screen, let go of the buttons. Then wait for the phone to finish restarting. To help keep your phone running optimally, you can also schedule an auto restart, which will restart your phone for you based on a schedule you set. To do this, go to Settings. Tap on System. Tap Restart and Reset. Then tap on Auto Restart. Here, turn the setting on by tapping the toggle. Confirm the days and time for your device to auto restart. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.